Hello, 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 everyone. Look at the beautiful forest for forest bathing. So it's not, it's a therapeutic day outdoors. So basically, you come, you sit amongst the trees, you communicate with yourself, and you just be at peace. That's what's called forest bathing. You just enjoy the whole atmosphere, learning about the different trees. Is it gorgeous? So, this is forest bathing. Now, you can sit here, you can hike through the trees, you can camp out for the day, but basically, you're getting acquainted with a different environment other than your living room and your television and your laptop and your iPad and your iPhone. You're outside engaging with yourself on a different level. So you can go deep in, or you can just sit here at the picnic tables, or you can go foraging. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm out here looking for some purslane for my book, but as you can see, it's well manicured. Doesn't look likely that I'll find purslane over here, and it's possible it has not started to grow yet. I usually have it in my backyard, but I don't see any there either. So maybe a little bit later during the spring. But it's beautiful. Look at the trees are blowing. It smells fresh. This one is just a bit low. It's almost down to the floor. Look at this. It's right there. It's by my knees. It's a long branch. And it's not even broken. Even if you have children, the children can play while you camp out here. You don't always need to go to a campsite, but you definitely need sneakers out here in Texas because there's ant hills everywhere. Let me see if I can see some other plants that I'm looking for. There's a sow thistle, the tall one. Here's some more here. Prickly lettuce. We don't grow too much of that on our backyard, but they grow quite tall, more than 5 feet. Let's see what else is over here. I don't really go over here too much because these wires have this whole area contaminated. Never harvest by these wires. Wow, look at this one. Nice and sharp. Another one. So yeah, you can find your medicine out here. Just like I said, do not harvest where you see poles and you see runoff water. We had so much rain. I'm looking over here Looks like a little lake has formed. Let's take a look. I hear all kinds of critters. Some geese. I'm sure there's little snakes in there, and because I have on sandals, I will not be going too close. I don't want anything taking off my toes. But that's new. I've been in this area for 5 years, and that's definitely new. Wow, there's an even bigger body of water back there. Wow, that's interesting. That won't be there long. We get a lot of drought. It's very dry up here in North Texas. Oh, I think I see the geese over there, or the ducks. If you look right there, there's 3 of them. Let's see. They're probably gonna fly away when I get there. Yeah, that's all new. We had some torrential downpours. Oh, is that a hedgehog or is that a giant rat? What the heck? Those are big. I'm gonna take a picture. Wow. I think it's a water hog, hedgehog. I don't know what it is. His tail is not as long as a rat, but he certainly looks like a rat. Do you see it? He's eating. See? This is what I always have on slippers. Closed-toe shoes. Well, that's definitely interesting. I tell you, out here in this area, there's so much wildlife. I'm fascinated. I can only imagine what I'll see in Florida. When I get to Florida, on the land that I bought to build the resort, can only imagine what kind of critters I will confront. But yeah, there's somebody in a golf cart way back there. Maybe groundskeepers. But now you know. Anyway, have a great, phenomenal weekend. God bless you all. Stay safe and be alert.